How you get closer to love? How you eliminate all your sadness when you opening up? How you make excuses for billionaires you broke on a bus? Sunny niggas around me rolling up and smoking me up because my rainforest cries. Everybody dies a little, and I just wanna dance tonight. And I just wanna dance tonight. Yeah, he my little baby Medusa, tipping the juice up. I go back and forth in a Uber, travel for 2 months. I'm the emptiest hallelujah. Open my chest up, it's a rabbit inside my hat. Angel all dressed up, looking to bless up at the milk and the honey case. I make money for money's sake. I've been writing 100 days. Took the wretched out the earth and called it baby for none. I know my shoulder blades are shattered wings that carry me home. I said, baby, come on. You know this flesh is only temporary, brittle as bone. Why don't you empty out your love for me, then chisel the stone? These are 10 black commandments, a property loan. Cause every blade of grass of earth we don't actually own. I am the I am, says Sam, am I? The universe bleeds infinity, you got one life. Yeah, how you get closer to love? How you eliminate all your sadness when you opening up? How you make excuses for billionaires you broke on a bus? Sunny niggas around me rolling up and smoking me up because my rainforest cries. Everybody dies a little, everybody dies a little. I just wanna dance tonight. I just wanna dance tonight. If you think you love me, then bury me when the sun up. Fading with the homie, pulling another blunt up. Talking to Muhammad like niggas don't really trust us. Dying on stolen land for $1 like that ain't fucked up. It's fuck they money. I'ma say it every song until the revolution coming, all the feds start running. Fuck a Goodwill Hunting, this is brand new murder. Revolutionary suicide, the clothes occurred, and you ain't seen death. I can hear the blood on the moon. These niggas put a flag up on it, all they do is consume. Only animal to ravage everything in its path. They turned a natural resource into a bundle of cash. Made the world anti-black, then divided the class. Now the rich niggas is rich niggas with showbread, really bitch niggas with big figures. Some cokeheads, these bitches is cokeheads, man. Fuck a billionaire. How you get closer to love? How you eliminate all your sadness when you opening up? How you make excuses for billionaires you broke on a bus? Sunny niggas around me rolling up and smoking me up because my rainforest cries. Everybody dies a little, everybody dies a little. I just wanna dance tonight. I just wanna dance tonight.